Okay, I put you on a tripod. Hopefully that should make it a little bit easier to take a look what's inside. This radio, this receiver has been in storage. Oh my God, for about maybe what, 10, 15 years now? Ooh, take a look inside. Check that out. Let me take you off the tripod and walk you over bring you over. Ooh, it still has all the original caps. Get some light in there. All the original caps. Sprague. This is gonna be a fun job. That's the audio transformer. That needs to be changed. I need to good cleaning. Good I'm gonna deoxide all this. All these switches and contacts. Yeah. Look at that. Untouched. Everything, it looks like everything's original. Everything's there. Wow. Usually when you get receivers like this, you get a lot of mods, capacitor replacements. Everything's done. People go in there and just start hacking and swapping parts without even knowing what they're doing. The cable looks like it's been replaced though. The cable does look like a newer type cable. And this cable right here. This should be fun. Should be fun. All those paper waxies need to come out. I'm not even going to try to figure out if the paper waxies are still good. I'm just going to replace them all and take them all out. What's the point? Just take them out. They're what, 60 years old, 70, 80 years old? No, not 80. Wow. Pretty cool, pretty cool. Let's take a look at the back. You have your fuse, battery. This is missing a cover. This has to be. Not bad. Pretty clean. I like zooming in, kind of document everything before I start taking things out and replacing. I'm gonna start replacing, putting new capacitors, test all these resistors, get it fired up and get it ready, and do some testing, some realignment, and some checking just to make sure that everything's working again. The paint's not that bad. I think if I was to polish it, it'll be okay. All right, guys. Stay tuned.